Hello and welcome, I am the Danish Looter and today I'll be opening Pop in a Box. So first I gotta apologize, I look like hell. And that's because I just woke up. That's right, I just woke up. I am on my holidays now, so I am allowed to sleep in. But I'm still drinking my morning coffee, so yeah. But I thought I just wanted to make this video before the Christmas hits hard. I actually got woken up by the mailman because, as I showed you, I think I showed you in the last video, I had some Pop in a Box delivered. But today the mailman woke me up bringing more Pop in a Box. So yeah, so we got a lot to attend to, and this is going to be an interesting unboxing because I had 3 pop figures totally destroyed by mail. I had to destroy them even more to get replacements. So 3 of these pop figures are replacements from those 3, and I also made some orders from Pop in a Box, so some of these could be one of the orders, and I'm subscribed to 12 pop figures a month from Pop in a Box, so that could be that also. So quite interesting to see what I'm gonna get, but yeah, let's dig in. And we're gonna start with the big one. Again, the shipping has not been the greatest. It has dented corners, and I really think that Pop in a Box should either do better packaging or send out the pops in smaller boxes, just like these, because these tend to turn out fine. But we get to that. But let's start out with this one. And okay, so they did actually pack this one quite good. So hopefully there won't be any damage inside. And okay, so there we go. This is the order I made. I ordered 3 pop figures, figures that I wanted to have in quite some time, but just hadn't been able to pick up. So we're starting off with. I'm too tired for this. Get off my pop figure. Where did I put the knife? Knife. There we go. First up we have Belle. And this is the Hot Topic exclusive, even though it says Underground Toys exclusive. It is a Hot Topic exclusive Hipster Belle because she has glasses on it. There you go. Been wanting to have this pop for quite some time. I picked up, which one was it? Jasmine? I think it was Jasmine. I think it was Jasmine I picked up from Hot Topic themselves, and they delivered without a sticker. So I thought, well, if the company itself doesn't even ship with the sticker, why even bother? So I bought it through Pop in a Box, knowing that probably it was going to be with the Underground Toy sticker, but it's fine. I just like the pop figure, so there we go. Continuing on in kind of the same direction, because I really wanted to complete that set. Come on. We have... This one doesn't even have sticker on it, but anyways. Ariel! Also the hipster version thingy. All that lighting, come on. How can I show you guys? Nope, doesn't really matter how I turn it. Anyways, there she is, looking awesome with her glasses, and the eyebrow is lifted. That is kind of cool. I haven't noticed that before I ordered it. Oh my god, I'm so tired of this lighting. There's probably going to be my New Year promise, or whatever you call it. I'm going to fix the lighting somehow, so I can show the guys these pops more probably. Oh well, there we go. So now I have oh great, they put a huge warning sticker on the back. Thank you. That's just... But now I have all three of these figures, so that's quite nice. And oh, forgot to show the side. There we go. Is it focused? I can't even see it. There we go. So there. And the last one, I have done my absolute best to collect all the Star Wars pop figures, and I have some pretty awesome exclusives coming in. But this one, it is normally a Target exclusive, but since Target doesn't exist in Denmark, I had to order it through Pop in a Box, and that's fine. It does have the Underground Toy sticker on it, but it is the Kylo Ren, and it is the unmasked version, or hoodless, I think, or I can't even remember what they call it. Hang on one second. Hoodless. It is the hoodless one. So that is the Kylo Ren hoodless. It is a Target exclusive, but we have the Underground Toys sticker on there. So there we go. And oh, there you have the side. And the back showing the whole series, including the Kylo Ren normal one. Can you see it probably? There we go. So that was the 3 orders I made with Pop in a Box. So with those out of the way, we can continue with the smaller boxes, and we have 4 of them. So at least one of these must be from my subscription, because only 3 of the pop figures could be replacements for the destroyed ones. So now I'm getting excited. And there we go. And there we go. So this one is the replacement. And it is the replacement for Fear, which was one of the pop figures that was destroyed in delivery. So there we go. Nothing too fancy about that. I kind of went over it in the previous video, so you can go watch that if you want to see more of that. And next up we have oh, this is not a replacement. This is kind of cool. Harvey Bullock, and it is from the Gotham series, Before the Legend. It is an awesome series. For those of you who don't know this one, Gotham is the city where Batman lives, and the series Gotham is kind of like a prequel to the known Batman series, where Batman actually exists. So this is like the build up to the Batman franchises, and it is so cool. So we have some of the characters that you know, and Oswald. Oh, I love that guy. He of course turns into the Penguin. We have Bruce Wayne up in the corner. He's a child, well, a little boy in this series. James Gordon, we know that guy. Selena Kyle, also know. And Fish Mooney. So that is awesome. Here we have the side. And did you see the figure? Probably. Oh, I'm tired. There we go. He's cool. That's nice. That's awesome. Early Christmas. Okay. So we have 2 more. Let's dig it in, dig it in, dig it in. There we go. There we go. There. Oh. And this one is also a replacement. So and it's good to see that the replacement is not destroyed. That would be hilarious if they had to replace the replacements. But this is in near perfect condition. It has a little dent on the back, on the corner right there, and it has a little dent up here, but it's hardly noticeable. It is a little gruesome from the Wacky Races, from the Hanna-Barbera series, as it says on the top right there. Pretty cool figure. I actually didn't want this one, but I was too late with the thumb down on Pop in a Box, so I got it anyways. But it's fine, it's fine. he does look cool. The thing I kind of like about this guy is his eyes are not like just the normal pop-in-a-box eyes, where it's just like round black circles. This is yellow, and he actually has eyelids and eyebrows like down over his eyes. So that's kind of cool. It's a neat figure, and I am going to keep it, I think. So I wonder if this is the last replacement one. Let's check it out. There we go. And yep, it is the last replacement. So there we go. And I'm just checking the box, and this one is quite alright. So that is, there we go. Morocco Mole from the Morocco Mole series. Also a Hanna-Barbera one. I forgot to show you the back before, but I've already done like no camera, no, okay, there we go. I already done a preview of these in the earlier video where I got the destroyed ones, so you can go watch that. So yeah, that was it. So one of the pop figures was actually from my subscription. Okay, need coffee. Subscription. So 11 more should be on the way. It is today the 22 of December, and Pop-in-a-Box actually wrote me. I told you in the last video, but I'm gonna say it again. Pop-in-a-Box wrote me saying that they are late on all the subscriptions. So they were very sorry about it, but they are doing what they can, and I know they are. So got 1 out of 12 before Christmas. Hopefully some more will get through the door, and I will, if I receive them tomorrow or even on Christmas Day, I will be opening them for you guys. So fingers crossed. But for now, I want to say thanks for watching, and if I do not put another video up before Christmas, Happy Christmas to all of you guys. Thanks a lot for watching my videos, commenting, subscribing, liking, and all that. It really means a lot to me, so thanks, and hopefully I'll see you guys next time. Bye!